Vitamin A deficiency symptoms that should not be ignored. Vitamin A is crucial in maintaining vision, to its profound impact on immune function and cellular growth. Unfortunately, our body do not produce vitamin A themselves. Instead, they rely on foods such as liver, fish, and dairy, and provitamin A carotenoids such as beta-carotene, found in plant-based foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, to obtain this essential nutrient. According to the data published on 2020, 45% of the US population had a prevalence of inadequacy for vitamin A, and you might be one of them. In this video, we will talk about the 10 vitamin A deficiency symptoms that should not be ignored. Number 1, night blindness. Night blindness, a condition characterized by difficulty seeing in low-light conditions or darkness, is a consequence of vitamin A deficiency. In the eye, vitamin A plays a crucial role in the synthesis of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment found in the retina's rod cells. Rhodopsin is essential for the process of dark adaptation, allowing the eyes to adjust to dim light. While it's normal for some individuals to experience challenges in low-light conditions, those with vitamin A deficiency will find it increasingly difficult to discern objects or navigate in such environments. Without adequate vitamin A, the production of rhodopsin is impaired, leading to decreased night vision. Moreover, vitamin A deficiency can compromise the health of the eye's surface epithelial cells, contributing to dryness and discomfort, exacerbating visual challenges. While night blindness is often reversible with vitamin A supplementation, prolonged deficiency can lead to more severe ocular complications, highlighting the critical role of adequate nutrition in maintaining optimal visual function. Number 2, dry eyes. While it's normal for some individuals to experience occasional dryness in their eyes, those with vitamin A deficiency may experience more severe and persistent symptoms. Without sufficient vitamin A, the health and function of the eye's surface epithelial cells can be compromised, leading to reduced tear production and impaired lubrication of the eyes, which in turn results in cornea abrasion. This can result in sensations of dryness, grittiness, and discomfort, impacting visual clarity, and in some serious cases result in recurrent cornea erosion, a repeated tear on the cornea cells from cornea abrasion. Adequate intake of vitamin A-rich foods or supplements is essential for maintaining healthy tear production and alleviating dry eye symptoms, emphasizing the importance of proper nutrition for optimal eye function. Number 3, dry skin. Dry skin, an ailment marked by its parched texture, rough appearance, and tendency to flake, can often be attributed to insufficient levels of vitamin A. While occasional dryness is common and typically benign, individuals grappling with vitamin A deficiency may contend with more pronounced and enduring manifestations. Vitamin A plays a very important role in your skin health as well. It orchestrates crucial processes such as cellular turnover and the synthesis of collagen and elastin fibers, which are the cornerstones of skin hydration and suppleness. In the absence of adequate vitamin A, the skin's natural moisture barrier falters, hindering its ability to retain hydration and undergo effective repair. And when your skin is dry, you will feel discomfort, and will feel dry and flaky on your skin's overall appearance. Number 4, poor wound healing. While the body's natural healing process may vary in speed and efficiency, individuals lacking sufficient vitamin A may experience prolonged or incomplete wound healing. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in wound healing by promoting tissue regeneration, collagen synthesis, and immune function. Without adequate levels of vitamin A, the body's ability to repair damaged tissues and fight off infections is compromised, leading to slower healing times and increased susceptibility to complications. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin A through diet or supplementation is essential for supporting optimal wound healing and overall tissue repair, emphasizing the importance of maintaining adequate nutrition for promoting health and well-being. Number 5, increased susceptibility to infections. While the immune system serves as a formidable fortress, adept at recognizing and neutralizing invading microorganisms, its efficacy hinges on vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A function in the body also connects to the development, differentiation, and function of various immune cells, including T and B lymphocytes, natural killer cells, and macrophages. By modulating the expression of immune-related genes and cytokine production, vitamin A helps regulate the delicate balance between inflammatory and anti-inflammatory responses, ensuring an appropriate reaction to microbial challenges, while minimizing collateral tissue damage. Without enough vitamin A, the immune system struggles to mount effective responses against infections. Moreover, vitamin A enhances the integrity of mucosal barriers, such as those lining the respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts, which serve as the primary defense against invading pathogens. In the absence of adequate vitamin A, the immune system's ability to mount an effective defense against infections may be compromised, leaving individuals more susceptible to microbial assaults. Number 6. Keratinization of tissues. Keratinization of tissues, a condition characterized by the abnormal accumulation of keratin, can manifest in various forms throughout the body and is often associated with vitamin A deficiency. Keratin is a fibrous protein that forms the structural basis of skin, hair, and nails, providing strength and protection. At the cellular level, vitamin A plays a critical role in regulating keratinocyte proliferation and differentiation, the process by which skin cells mature and migrate to the skin's surface. Adequate levels of vitamin A ensure proper keratinocyte turnover, maintaining the balance between cell growth and shedding. However, in the absence of sufficient vitamin A, this process can become dysregulated, resulting in the excessive production and accumulation of keratinocytes. Consequently, affected tissues may exhibit thickening, scaling, and hyperkeratosis, characteristic features of keratinization disorders. One of the most notable manifestations of vitamin A-related keratinization is xerosis cutis, or dry skin as mentioned in the third point, where the skin becomes rough, flaky, and prone to cracking. Additionally, vitamin A deficiency can lead to follicular hyperkeratosis, a condition characterized by the accumulation of keratin around hair follicles, resulting in rough, bumpy skin texture and dandruff. Moreover, mucous membranes, such as those lining the eyes, respiratory tract, and digestive system, may also undergo keratinization in the absence of adequate vitamin A, leading to a range of complications including dry eyes, respiratory infections, and gastrointestinal disturbances. Number 7. Betos spots on eyes. Betos spots, those white foamy patches seen on the eyes, are a clear sign of not having enough vitamin A. Vitamin A is instrumental in preserving the integrity of the conjunctival epithelium, the thin membrane that lines the surface of the eye and acts as a protective barrier against external assaults. In the absence of adequate vitamin A, the conjunctival epithelium undergoes structural changes, culminating in the formation of Betos spots, a visible testament to the body's nutritional inadequacy. Number 8. Infertility. Infertility, a complex and emotionally challenging condition, can be influenced by various factors, including nutrition. Among these, the role of vitamin A emerges as particularly significant, impacting fertility outcomes in both men and women, affecting processes such as sperm production in men and follicle maturation in women. In men, vitamin A is crucial for spermatogenesis, the process by which sperm cells are formed. Insufficient levels of vitamin A can disrupt this process, leading to impaired sperm quality and reduced fertility. Similarly, in women, vitamin A is essential for folliculogenesis, the maturation of ovarian follicles necessary for ovulation and egg release. Without adequate vitamin A, ovulation may become irregular or inhibited, diminishing the chances of conception. Moreover, vitamin A supports the health and function of reproductive organs, such as the cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes, which are critical for fertilization and embryo implantation. Deficiencies in vitamin A can compromise the integrity of these tissues, impairing their function and hindering conception. Additionally, vitamin A influences the production and regulation of sex hormones, including estrogen and progesterone, which play pivotal roles in menstrual cycle regulation and fertility. Imbalances in these hormones due to vitamin A deficiency can further contribute to fertility issues. Number 9. Stunted growth. It's a frustrating feeling when it seems like everyone around you is shooting up like weeds, but you're stuck at the same height. But did you know that not getting enough vitamin A could be one reason why some kids don't grow as tall as they should? Yeah, it's like missing a key ingredient in a recipe for growing up strong and healthy. Vitamin A is crucial for bone growth and development because it helps regulate the genes involved in bone formation. Plus, it supports the maintenance of healthy epithelial tissues throughout the body, which are essential for overall growth. And let's not forget about the immune system. Vitamin A plays a vital role in keeping it strong and resilient, so you can fend off illnesses that might otherwise hinder your growth. Number 10. Neurological symptoms. Neurological symptoms stemming from vitamin A deficiency can manifest as a range of challenges affecting nerve function, and overall well-being, encompassing issues like numbness in the legs and arms, difficulty controlling body movements, speech problems, and peripheral neuropathy, a condition causing tingling, weakness, or pain in the extremities. Essentially, insufficient levels of vitamin A can lead to oxidative stress, harming nerve cells and disrupting their ability to communicate effectively, akin to the wires in your body's communication network getting tangled up, causing glitches in transmission. Imagine trying to navigate through a dense fog, where signals between your brain and body get lost or delayed, hindering the smooth operation of your nervous system, impacting not only physical movements, but also cognitive functions and speech patterns, leading to frustration and a decreased quality of life. So don't underestimate function of vitamin A in your bodies. Make sure you eat all the right foods that are packed with various nutrients, especially vitamin A, and lead an active lifestyle so that your body will be able to absorb vitamin A more effectively. Know any more vitamin A deficiency symptoms? Share with us in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video.